So my work with the one-pointed mind started more out of a necessity than anything else. I started to pursue the philosophies of meditation. Once I became an educator and I started to work with students, I had identified quite early on in my teaching career that there was going to be a bridge between what I needed to share with students and their ability to stay focused and grounded within the learning environment to receive what it was that I was trying to share. As I started to navigate the practices for myself and for the students, I had seen that there were clear correlations between what was going on physiologically with those who engage in meditation practices and the psychological results. There are notable changes, and those changes relate to the ability to learn, the ability to focus, and the ability to be creative. So with a one-pointed mind, the individual is all but able to hold focus. It's nothing more than focus. The workshops started with educators. Over time, those workshops would be shared in 8 countries, in 12 different schools internationally, integrated into manufacturing, corporate settings. The workshops have been crafted in a way that can try and provide people with both a philosophical and a practical approach to understanding the nature and the psychology of attention and emotion.
I thought the whole class was interesting. Taking the time to be mindful, be present, and connect with your breath.
And I can say that this entire day has been a journey that has brought me back into myself with a deeper awareness, and I hope to carry that through to everybody else I see today.
So breathing and body awareness and then coming back, I never knew you could do that in such a short period of time and have it be really effective.
It's deep stuff Steve is offering. The biology, the psychology, and the spirituality of all that we are is kind of reinvigorated me. So I'm deeply grateful for being here today.